Hey TikTok enthusiasts! Are you tired of seeing the same content on your For You feed and want a fresh start? Well, you're in the right place. In this 1-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your For You feed on TikTok, giving you a new mix of exciting videos to enjoy. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon at the down right corner of the screen. Your profile page will open up. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see 3 lines. Click on them. Pop-up window will open up at the bottom of the screen with a various of options. Find Settings and Privacy option, tap on it to access your TikTok account settings. Now let's scroll and find an option called Content Preferences. Click on it. New window will show up. Here you can see our option called Refresh your For You feed. Click on it, then click on Continue and choose Refresh. It's gonna ask you the reason. You can choose the specific one or just choose the other reason and submit. Congratulations! You've successfully reset your For You feed on TikTok. Now you can explore a fresh stream of content tailored to your interests. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more TikTok tips, and share this video with your TikTok-loving friends. Enjoy your new TikTok experience, and thanks for watching.